Welcome to Lecture 1 on what is biochemistry and their scope. A. Definition and scope of biochemistry. Biochemistry is the scientific discipline that focuses on the study of the chemical processes and substances that occur within living organisms. It is an interdisciplinary field that combines principles from both biology and chemistry to investigate the molecular basis of life. Biochemists explore the structure, function, and interactions of biomolecules, which are the building blocks of life, to understand how they contribute to the complex processes that sustain living organisms. The scope of biochemistry encompasses a wide range of topics, including biomolecules. Biochemists study the various types of biomolecules present in living organisms, such as proteins, nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, carbohydrates, lipids, and small molecules like vitamins and hormones. Enzymes. Enzymes are specialized proteins that act as catalysts, speeding up biochemical reactions in cells. Biochemistry delves into understanding enzyme kinetics, mechanisms, and regulation, as enzymes play a crucial role in metabolic pathways and cellular processes. Cellular metabolism. Biochemistry investigates the chemical reactions that occur within cells to convert nutrients into energy and synthesize essential molecules required for cell function and growth. Genetic information. Biochemists explore the structure and function of DNA and RNA, the carriers of genetic information. Understanding how genetic information is stored, replicated, and expressed is fundamental to comprehending the basis of inheritance and molecular genetics. Protein structure and function. Proteins are involved in nearly all cellular processes, from catalyzing reactions to providing structural support. Studying protein structure and function helps in understanding their roles in various biological activities. Signal transduction. Biochemistry delves into the molecular mechanisms by which cells receive and respond to signals from their environment, allowing them to adapt to changing conditions. B. Importance of biochemistry in understanding life. Biochemistry plays a vital role in our understanding of life and its processes. Molecular basis of life. Biochemistry uncovers the chemical basis of living organisms, providing insights into how biological molecules work together to create and maintain life. Medical sciences. Biochemistry is crucial in medical research and healthcare. Understanding the biochemical basis of diseases helps in diagnosing illnesses, developing treatments, and designing drugs that target specific biochemical pathways. Biotechnology and genetic engineering. Biochemistry enables genetic engineering and biotechnology advancements by allowing scientists to manipulate DNA and produce valuable proteins through recombinant DNA technology. Nutrition and health. Biochemistry helps in studying the metabolism of nutrients, contributing to the fields of nutrition and health sciences by guiding dietary recommendations and understanding metabolic disorders. Environmental studies. Biochemical research sheds light on how living organisms interact with the environment, including the impact of pollutants and toxins on biochemical processes. In conclusion, biochemistry is a critical scientific field that provides valuable insights into the molecular intricacies of life. It has far-reaching applications in medicine, biotechnology, agriculture, and environmental sciences, driving advancements that benefit society and improve our understanding of the natural world.